If you want to customize the home screen on iPhone 16e, then what you need to do is pretty much press and hold your finger on an empty space in the home screen. If you do, then you will enter this shaking mode or editing mode, and you can start, for example, organizing apps by dragging and dropping them anywhere you wish them to be. However, if you want to make some additional changes, you can press edit over here in the top left corner once again. In order to, for example, add a widget, you can also customize the home screen page by choosing the dark mode or light mode for apps, or switch it to automatic, or you can go for a tinted where you can pick up a color for these app icons. You can also switch it to large so that the labels are gone. And here we can also make the home screen a little bit brighter as well, or the wallpaper actually. And besides that, we can go to edit pages in order to change the order of pages. So if you wish to have a different order, then of course you can switch it over here, and then we can press down in the top right corner. And that is essentially it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!